that you ain't driving off the lot. That's your dream car because you're getting ready to manifest your dream. You're getting ready to speak it into existence. You naming and you claiming.
We are going to apply this lace wig. We're going to use the Imagery Lace Glue. I did put some scalp protectant on before I started with the application. Always use a wooden spatula for this glue. It dries pretty quick, but I usually leave it on for about 5 minutes in between. And I put 2 applications of this on. Just like that. So now I'm going to apply the wig. I'm sorry the lighting wasn't really good right here, but we will do another tutorial on applying the Imagery Lace Glue. But I'm applying my old trusty wig. I love my little pixie cut wig. That's my look. So what I'm doing is just doing around my edges. Now, I'm really not a candidate for lace wigs, but because my hairline is so low, I just have to make it work because I like wearing them. So that's how I put them on. And I'm just laying down that sideburn there. And this glue is awesome, waterproof. Love it, dries clear, already clear. Well, it comes out clear and then it dries fairly easy as well.
That you ain't driving off the lot. That's your dream car because you're getting ready to manifest your dream. You're getting ready to speak it into existence. You naming and you claiming.